Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to look at some of the recent changes that I've made to my Redcat Gen8. You guys might have seen one of my previous videos regarding tips on mounting the body. The issue I had was with the Velcro system, the rears would mount fine, but the front wouldn't mount cleanly at all. And so what I had to do was make sure that the Velcro in the front stuck first before making the Velcro in the rear stick together, and that kind of helped my mounting with the Velcro system. So I still wasn't happy with that, and I did plan to change the mounting system to use magnets, and Redcat did make provisions for using magnets with the mounting system. So let's take a look at it. So you'll notice that the Redcat has indentations for magnet positions on each of the fender wells, and basically I just removed the Velcro mounting system from the top and the bottom of that mounting system. Here I'm using rare earth magnets. They are N52 strength, and I believe they are 20 by 2, so 20 millimeters diameter, 2 millimeters thickness, and this is what I'm using. I will put a link to these in my description below. And to mount those magnets, I used E6000, and I will also put a link to this in the description below. While putting all the magnets in place and lining everything up, I discovered that I still had an issue with fender alignment. What I found out was that the rear fenders on my Gen 8 body were actually a little bit more forward than they were supposed to be, which was causing me mounting issues. So what I had to do was remove the rear fender system and kind of make new holes to mount them, and you'll see how much of an offset there was between the old holes right here and the new holes with the screws in here. So I had to do this on both sides and move that rear fender system back, and with it moved backwards I finally get perfect alignment. You will have to see if your own truck has this issue, and it might not be the same for everyone, but in my case I had to move my rear fenders back just a little bit, maybe 3 millimeters or so. Aside from moving the rear fenders back about 3 millimeters, I also had to trim the sides of the body. I trimmed it about this much, and basically the reason I did that was to prevent the side of the body from hitting up against the railing here and preventing the body from fully mounting snugly. So with the rear fenders mounted back up in the new position, should go on pretty easily. You'll still have to tuck the sides in, but everything should be perfectly aligned. As you can see, the front and rears are now perfectly aligned, and it's pretty flush with the 20 by 2 millimeter magnets. Another thing that I've recently done to the Gen 8 is that I've added a front guard to protect the steering servo arm right here, and this front guard was made for a Traxxas TRX4. I will put a link to this in the description below, but it is the same width for the Gen 8 and it will pretty much work. And that is pretty much it for the recent changes that I've made to my Redcat Gen 8. I will be making more changes, but for now that's all I've got. Please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.